Hi, my name is Matt. I work in the digital team here at British Gas Business, and we're delighted to announce that we're making it even easier to get a quote for a new commercial boiler with video appointments. Setting up and carrying out your appointment is very quick and easy. There's no need to download anything. All you need is a mobile phone with a rear-facing camera, a suitable time to be at your business premise to carry out the appointment, and that's it. So let's run through exactly how it works. At the agreed time of your appointment, you'll receive a text from British Gas. This will contain a secure link to start your session. Once you click through the link, you'll be brought to a page asking you to get started. After agreeing to these terms and conditions and granting access, you can then start your video appointment. During the call, there's a few tools that the engineer will have access to help guide the session. The first of these tools is a laser pointer, which the engineer can use to draw your attention to areas of interest. The engineer also has access to a draw tool and also takes photos during the session to help provide an accurate quote. At the end of the session, we aim to get a quote out within one working day, which is a lot faster than an in-person visit, but this can depend on what time of day your appointment happens. So, if you're interested in getting a quote for a new commercial boiler fast, make sure you book a video appointment today.